In today's video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about Universal's Express Pass, what it is, how much it costs, and if it's worth that price.
Welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things Disney, Universal, and beyond, and especially our favorite, Halloween Horror Nights. So to join in our little community, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and especially give this video a thumbs up, for it does help our channel out so we can create much more content for you guys about all the things we talk about here. Now let's get into what this video is all about, and that is, what is Universal Express Pass?
So to sum it up, the Express Pass is an addition that you can add on to your regular theme park tickets to any of the Universal theme parks, aside from Volcano Bay. And it allows you to skip the regular lines and go in the special Express Pass line. And it basically cuts down your wait time by a ton. Universal does advertise that the typical wait time for Express Pass is half the posted standby line, but we believe that it's much less than that typically.
Yeah, typically when we ever use Express Pass, we usually don't wait more than like 10 or 15 minutes. And that's sometimes when we see rides posted at a 50 to 60 minute wait. It all depends on who actually has purchased Express Pass, who's using it. Because sometimes you just walk in, nobody would be using the Express Pass line and it just may be you. So it all depends.
Now there are two different types of Express Passes. One is going to be the regular Express Pass and the other is going to be your unlimited Express Pass. And this is something that you're going to want to know before you go to purchase. You're going to want to know the differences and which one suits you best.
Yeah, so the regular option of just getting a regular Express Pass, let's say for instance that you want to go on the Mummy. Well, you would use your Express Pass to go ahead and skip the standby line and go right up to the front, or whatever wait it is for Express Pass, and that'll allow you to go right onto the Mummy. But once you get off that ride and you want to do it again, unfortunately you can't use Express again. Express Pass, the regular one, only allows you to go onto one attraction for one use for the day that you're there at least. So if you're wanting to go ahead and do Express Pass multiple times for that attraction, then you might want to look at upgrading into the unlimited Express Pass.
So the unlimited option is going to be a little bit pricier than the regular option. However, it will allow you to use Express over and over and over again.
Hence unlimited.
On any attraction that has an Express line. So if you want to go on the Mummy 5 times in a row using Express, you can totally do that.
Now, Express Pass is not for every attraction. Most of the attractions on property do offer Express Pass, but there's certain ones like Hagrid's for right now, and the Bourne Spectacular and the Pterodon Flyers that do not offer Express Pass. But as you can see, the vast majority of the attractions at Universal and Islands of Adventure do offer Express Pass.
So moving on to how you can buy Express Pass. So we recommend buying them early and online.
The more Express Passes that Universal sells in a day means the more expensive these passes will become.
Yeah, the price does increase if more people are buying them, and during the busy times when you're going to want to have Express Pass, that is when most people are going to be buying them. So make sure that you buy them online and early, way in advance, so that you're not worried about the price increasing or having to buy it at the park.
And just like Stephanie mentioned, you can purchase Express Pass at the park. And what we mean is there's like multiple locations for the park. Multiple as in there's a lot. One of them being the ticket booths at the front of the park. And also you can go throughout any of the stores inside of Universal, or even some like select outdoor vendor locations that they do have as well. Also, there are signs everywhere throughout the park that is pointing you in the direction to where you can purchase these Express Passes. Literally, you cannot miss these signs. They're everywhere. They're scattered throughout the entire park. Another way of getting an Express Pass is simply by staying at Universal's premier resorts. The resorts we're talking about is Hard Rock, Portofino Bay, and Royal Pacific.
Even though these are the most expensive resorts on Universal property, they can save you money in the long run if you plan to buy Express. So these resorts can range from around $300 to $500 a night depending on the season. However, Express Pass can get up to $200 for one ticket. And if you are staying at one of these premier resorts, you get unlimited Express for every member of your family.
Every single member.
And if you are spending that $200 for every single member of your family that can add up very quickly.
So let's create a little scenario for you guys so you can understand what we mean by the financial part of why a Premier Resort can save you money. Let's say you're a family of 4 and you want to purchase the Unlimited Express Pass. Well, sometimes that Express Pass can be up to $200 per person per day. So a family of 4 would cost you $800 in one day, and for a 4-day vacation, that can cost you up to $3,200. Just an Express Pass. So you can see why probably staying at one of these Premier Resorts, which may be $500 a night, may actually save you money on your vacation to Universal if you have a larger group going and you all want to purchase Express Passes. And finally, is Express Pass truly worth it?
The short answer, it depends. We recommend that you do your research on projected crowd levels for your visit beforehand. This will give you a really good idea of if Express Pass is going to be needed or not. Sometimes during the slower times during the year, you don't really need it. You could do all of the rides without Express Pass, but during like the busy times like spring break or the holidays, you might need Express Pass in order to get on most of the rides.
It can also depend on how long you plan to visit for.
Yeah, if you are planning to try to accomplish both Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios in one day, even on slower days, you may need Express Pass to get everything done. However, if you are planning to spread your vacation over a few days, then you may be able to live without Express Pass.
Now, with all that said, there's nothing quite like skipping the regular standby lines and having the shortest wait time possible for your favorite attraction or any attraction that you experience. So if it fits in your budget, we highly recommend it.
All right, so that is just about everything that you need to know about Universal's Express Pass.
Well, almost everything.
True, there is Express Pass for Halloween Horror Nights, but we will get to that in a future video.
If you all found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's gonna do it for us today in this video, guys. We appreciate you guys watching and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out, guys.
Bye.